Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do akamu from scratch. So guys, as you can see, I've already soaked the corn in the water. I have left it in the water for about 7 days now. I do change the water twice a day. So the reason why I left it this long is because I'm using blender to grind the corn. So I don't want my blender to get spoiled. That is why I left it in the water for 7 days. So guys, I'll just rinse it out and then start the process. So the first thing I'm going to do is to blend it with my blender. I'm going to blend it to be smooth as much as the blender can make it smooth. Akamu is one of the most popular breakfasts you will find in Nigeria. It is made from corn, as you can see, and you can enjoy it with bread, with akara or moi moi. Mothers as well use it to feed their babies. From 6 months upward, they start feeding their baby akamu. In Nigeria, we see akamu as breakfast, while in the Western world, it is called desserts. Guys, as you can see, I am blending the corn. I'll blend it to be smooth. Once I'm done blending it, I'm going to turn it in a bowl and then get ready to start sieving it out. So guys, once this is ready, the next thing is to put my bowl. I looked for the sack bag they used to use for this in the market. I couldn't see. So I decided to buy a scarf. This scarf, I've not used it on my head yet. So just enjoy the process as we continue. Next, I'm going to start sieving the corn. So this process is to separate the starch from the chaff. While the starch goes into the bowl, the chaff remains at the top. So enjoy this process because it takes time and patience. And then secondly, it's going to dirty the environment where you are doing it. So guys, I'll be adding it bit by bit, continue to sieve it until I can feel that the starch is no longer with the chaff. Then I'm going to keep the chaff aside. For those of you that have chicken you're training, I think this food is very good for chicken. So don't throw it away, just sun it and then give it to your chicken to eat. It's very nice. This is what you buy in the market for those of you that train agric fowl. So guys, as you can see, I've separated the chaff and the starch. So next thing, I'm just going to sieve it. When the water now is out, I'm going to take out the chaff and then continue the process until I finish sieving the akamu. This is how the chaff looks. So as you can see, there's no starch anymore on it. Next, I'm just going to keep it aside and then continue the process until it is finished. I'm going to continue this process until I'm done separating the chaff and the starch. Once I'm done, I'm going to take off the scarf gently so you can see the starch at the bottom of the bowl. So guys, the next thing is to cover it and let it stay overnight because we want it to ferment more. So this is the next day. You can see how it looks. It's already fermented from the look of the water. Next thing is to sieve the water out and then begin another process of squeezing more water out of the starch. Back then in Nigeria, I don't used to buy akamu because I live close with people that does this for a business. Their environment, the way they do it is so dirty. So with that mindset, whenever I go to the market to buy akamu from another seller, I just feel like they are the same. So what I did was to learn how to process akamu for myself. When I was still living with my parents, we don't buy akamu in the market. I learned how to do this akamu from my neighbor and I started doing it and we use it at home. So ever since then, I've been doing akamu and I enjoy the process. So guys, I'll put it back in that scarf I used to sieve it and then start squeezing the water now out of it. So like some people, if you don't have time to squeeze it, you will just tie it in the akamu bag. There's a bag they use for this process. You tie it and keep it aside. The water is going to come out gently until it is done. But me now, I'm rushing to work. I just really need to get this video done before I go to work. So I'm going to squeeze it until the whole water is out of it. So guys, once I'm done, this is how it looks. your akamu is ready for use. Just stay tuned, because on my next video I'm going to be using this akamu to do agidi jollof. I know you guys know agidi jollof, so in my next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do agidi jollof from scratch. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please give me thumbs up, leave good comments and share. See you all on my next one.